At McLaren, the road ahead is never defined by convention. The unknown isn't something to be feared. It's a challenge to be conquered. And in the world of extreme performance engineering, one name carries a legacy so formidable, it demands more than just innovation. It calls for evolution with unrelenting purpose. McLaren 765LT, a machine that doesn't just follow in the footsteps of greatness. It redefines what greatness means. This is no ordinary supercar. This is the next chapter in the iconic long-tail story, a lineage that has always stood for something rare, something radical, a philosophy that blends engineering obsession with pure driving passion. Every car to wear the LT badge has been a landmark in performance and engagement, and the 765LT is no exception. Born from the DNA of the astonishing McLaren 720S, the 765LT had a head start. But it's more than just an evolution. This is a revolution in lightness, aerodynamics, and raw power. A car re-engineered, reimagined, and relentlessly honed to be sharper, lighter, and more aggressive in every dimension. Radically lightened and lowered, the 765LT is sculpted for performance. Its aggressive stance isn't just visual, it's functional, generating 25% more downforce than its 720S sibling. Every line, every vent, every contour is carved with intent. This is aerodynamic artistry at its most thrilling. At its core lies the most powerful LT engine ever unleashed, 765 PS of unrelenting force. And with a name like the 765LT, that figure isn't just a performance spec, it's a production limit. Only 765 examples will exist, each one a handcrafted fusion of performance, engineering, and exclusive design. For those few lucky enough to own one, it's not just the acquisition of a car, it's an entry into an elite chapter of McLaren history. The 765LT is not about compromise, it's about focus, about the pursuit of driving purity taken to its most extreme. A car that engages every sense and elevates every moment behind the wheel into something visceral, unforgettable, and utterly addicting. This is McLaren, feared as ever. This is Longtail, redefined. This is the McLaren 765LT. When the objective is unfiltered speed and precision, every gram matters. That's why at the heart of the 765LT lies McLaren's revolutionary monocage 2 carbon fiber chassis. A platform so strong and rigid, it sets the tone for everything that follows. It's the foundation for a singular vision. Lighter is faster. This isn't just a slogan, it's a philosophy executed to perfection. Every component of the 765LT has been interrogated, reimagined, and honed for weight savings. New carbon fiber body panels replace conventional structures. Motorsport-derived polycarbonate glazing further reduces mass. The titanium exhaust system, both visually stunning and acoustically exhilarating, is 40% lighter than its steel counterpart. Even the dual-spring suspension system is designed with mass and precision in mind. Engineered not only for agility, but for sheer dynamic brilliance. The result? A supercar that weighs 80 kilograms less than the already lean McLaren 720S. And with its dry weight starting at just 1,229 kilograms, the 765LT achieves a class-leading power-to-weight ratio of 622 PS per ton, figures that place it in rarefield air. But numbers only hint at what this car can truly offer, because the experience of piloting the 765LT is beyond calculation. It's something that must be felt to be believed. Step inside the cabin, and the story of uncompromising focus continues. This is no luxury cruiser. It's a cockpit built for the track, and nothing gets in the way of performance. The carbon fiber center tunnel is a bespoke creation. Carpeting, air conditioning, and even the audio system have been removed, all sacrificed in the pursuit of purity. In their place, clarity, feedback, and connection. The lightweight seats are borrowed from the legendary McLaren P1, wrapped in Alcantara, and sculpted for absolute support under extreme G-forces. Every surface echoes this commitment to minimalism and motorsport heritage. Exposed carbon fiber, purpose-built switchgear, and ergonomics tuned for the demands of driving at the limit. And the exterior? It's a visual expression of aerodynamic intent. Long-tail proportions stretch across bespoke body panels, each sculpted in carbon fiber for optimal airflow. The stance is more aggressive, lower suspension, a wider front track, and a design that screams performance even while standing still. 25% more downforce than the 720S confirms what the eye already knows. Every millimeter of this machine is here with a purpose. Nothing is wasted, nothing is ornamental. Every decision, every material, every line is made in the name of driving purity. The 765LT doesn't just follow the long-tail tradition, it amplifies it. The most powerful long-tail supercar ever created. 765 PS, 800 Nm of torque. These aren't just statistics, they're the opening line in a performance narrative that reshapes expectations. At the heart of the McLaren 765LT lies a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that blends raw force with track-honed refinement. This is power forged through relentless development that unleashed with surgical precision. It's not just about how much, it's about how it's delivered. The 765LT features optimized gear ratios paired with a Formula 1 grade final drive, engineered for sharper acceleration and relentless torque delivery. The result? A breathtaking sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 2.8 seconds, and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, or 124 miles per hour, in a mere 7 seconds. These aren't supercar numbers, they're hypercar territory. But the 765LT isn't just built for straight-line fury. Like every long-tail before it, this machine is obsessively focused on the driving experience. That power is managed through a trifecta of brilliance: lightweight design, advanced aerodynamics, and a perfectly balanced mid-engine rear-wheel drive layout. Together, they deliver performance that is both overwhelming and controllable, ferocious yet usable. And usability isn't just a claim, it's a promise. Exhaustive testing and development have ensured that the 765LT's powertrain is as durable as it is potent, built to withstand the relentless heat and strain of track driving, yet tuned to offer thrills every day on the open road. It's a duality few cars can claim, and even fewer master. But true engagement doesn't stop with speed. It's about connection, feedback, intuition. The 765LT is engineered to feel like an extension of the driver, a pure, undiluted relationship between car and human. The electro-hydraulic steering system is quicker than ever. And that's the McLaren 765LT, where extreme engineering meets pure driving emotion. A rare breed built for the few who dare to push limits. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of McLaren's most thrilling creations, hit that like button, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe for more stunning machines and automotive stories.